Do you want to turn those essential oils sitting on your shelf gathering dust into cool products like this? Then let's make this Autumn Splendor Diffuser blend together. Let's make this recipe so you can bring the Autumn Splendor into your home. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils to make their own products. Turn off distractions, making is healing, and let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I just need to make sure you know at Simply Earth we are obsessed with making using essential oils easy. And that's why if you get our everyday essentials essential oil recipe box, you'll get everything you need to make this recipe and more. Or you can find these ingredients at simplyearth.com. For this Autumn Splendor Diffuser blend, you will need a diffuser, such as Simply Earth's Flower Diffuser, 1 drop of bergamot essential oil, 2 drops of pine essential oil, and 3 drops of autumn air essential oil. To use it, just put the oils on your diffuser. You're gonna love how this diffuser blend smells. And so let's make a master blend of it. We'll fill a 5 milliliter stock bottle of it so we can have this blend on hand whenever we want. So in my 5 milliliter bottle, which holds 100 drops, we are gonna proportionally add those essential oils. So I'm going to use 17 drops bergamot, 34 drops of pine, and 51 drops of autumn air. Then I will replace my dropper cap, replace my cap, shake it up to mix those oils up, and then I'm gonna label it. Now whenever you want to use this master blend, you just add a few drops to your diffuser, and voila. If you love fall aromas, you are gonna love this blend. It is energizing and uplifting and makes your home smell like fall. I love to see your creations, so if you make this recipe, take a picture, share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis, tagging from Simply Earth so we could see it. If you want to use essential oils to make your own natural products like this, then you need to check out the Simply Earth recipe box, where you'll learn how to use the power of essential oils to make your own natural products.